Welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have OLIBANUM / frankincense. I believe OLIBANUM means it's from the Boswellia sacra tree as opposed to Boswellia cartii, which is a different one. It is very... I'm just read what I put on the front. It's rich, sweet, woody, earthy, resinous, and I put about the Boswellia sacra tree on here as well. So I don't even have... There's basically not much in here. I mean, well, there's a drop, but I can't get to it with my dropper. This one, to me, it doesn't smell woody. It just doesn't. But it smells sparkly, bright, beautiful, very, very clean, a very sweet resin. So it has substance to it. But it smells very clean and angelic. What it reminds me of with what it does is linalool cinnamate. Doesn't smell like linalool cinnamate, because when you smell linalool cinnamate, that does not really have a smell to doesn't really have a smell, and linalool cinnamate does not smell like cinnamon. Let's just put that out there right now. It does not. It has nothing to do with cinnamon. What I think this does is pulls all of your stuff together, pulls all of your materials in a cohesive blend, a cohesive formula, and sweetens it a little bit, but gives it I've never said this before, a sophisticated sweetness. Not a ethyl maltol sweetness, which is a candy sweetness. This is just a little bit different. You know how fruits are sweet, but they don't taste like candy? That's what I'm talking about. That is what this does as well. But when you want... So linalool cinnamate, to me, doesn't really give that much of an aroma to your formula. It just is like a worker. This one is a worker, but it does give an aroma for sure. A resin, which is a base, to your formula. It gives a resinous, sweet aroma and is a fixative and is a blender. So that's why I love this one. But it just smells so innocent, angelic, almost sparkly. Absolutely beautiful. Almost, I was going to say sheer, but not sheer. No. Because sheer implies that it doesn't have much substance to it, and this does. This has some substance because it's a resin. Absolutely beautiful. It smells the same on here that it does here. A lot of times, I guess in my mind, when I think of a resin, I think of earthy and dirty, and not necessarily dirty, but you know what I mean. This is very, very clean. My opinion, but I think myrrh is a little bit less clean than the frankincense. I do. I think it has more of an earthy resin aroma. That's the myrrh. And this is cleaner. But it's a worker. It really is. It's going to blend your formula and make it, same thing, a cohesive formula and pull it all together. It's going to pull the top down to the bottom and the bottom down to the top, and it's just going to be a beautiful, yeah, I love it. It's really, really awesome because it does two things. And it just gives really dark formulas, it just gives it a little bit of lift and almost brightness that you can't detect. I know that sounds crazy and maybe weird, but you're just going to have to try it. When you have a really, really dark wood, leathery formula, using this, I think brings that formula together. And like when there's something missing, it just needs a little bit of something, put this in there. It's really nice. It's awesome. So again, it's a base, it's a resin, but very, very clean, crisp, and it's a worker, and it's a beautiful aroma as well. So thank you very much for joining me. Oh, one other thing I'll just say really quick is that, so it absolutely goes with myrrh. I said it goes with different woods. I said that it will be a great addition to bringing really heavy, woody, leathery formulas and just pulling them up just a little bit and giving what sometimes I think is missing in those formulas. To me, this is the thing that's missing, because it won't sweeten it. You just put a little bit. Sometimes these worker, I'm starting to call them worker materials, use just a little bit. Start with a little bit. So thank you for joining me, and this is, yeah, I didn't say it. This is part of the creatingperfume.com beginner's kit. This is in there, and yeah, just wanted to say that. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. I appreciate it. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.